An investigation underway tonight into a terrifying mass shooting in Philadelphia. The dramatic gun battle caught on camera. The Ring camera footage now part of a police investigation into a gunfight that left 3 people dead and 10 others injured in the Grays Ferry area early this morning. Police say the victims range in age from 15 to 24. They say it appears the shooters were firing indiscriminately, even with children nearby. At least one person with a weapon was taken into custody, though their exact involvement is unknown.